Patty Jackson. Patty TV goes everywhere, even Community College of Philadelphia. And guess who we caught up with? Everyone's like, where's G. Garvin? Where's G. Garvin? He has a home on the Cooking Channel. You recently did your road trip. Loved it, loved it, loved it. You took me to places in Georgia where the food is fabulous, and now you're going like...
Yeah, the road trip is a great show, great concept. Basically, going all over the country, finding interesting or unique little restaurants, just trying the food, highlighting food, and hoping that people will go back to it.
Wow.
We're excited about it.
What cities can we look forward to in 2012?
Oh, all over the place. We've done Atlanta, going to the Carolinas, Midwest, Chicago, even further south, Louisiana, Mississippi area. So we're literally going to be traveling the country.
Where were some of your favorite places to do your cooking? He cooks everything, and he's an amazing chef.
Well, you know what? I love to travel. I love to go to New York and get inspired, go to D.C. get inspired. You know, and I think it shows in my food. I'm not about one genre. I like to try to just incorporate everything that I've learned over the years into each and every dish that I do.
Now, you're also doing a project with HBO.
Yes, Memoirs. It's called The Making of a Chef. HBO bought it. I'm looking forward to a great series, so that should happen in 2012 also.
You're living the dream, as they say.
Not yet. I'm working on it. I've got a lot done. I've got more to do.
What advice would you give to aspiring chefs? So many people look to you, they get the cookbooks, they see you on.
You know, I say own what it is you want. You know, if you want to be a chef or chef on television, understand it. Don't just desire to do it, but understand it. I mean, there's a science to everything about the food and television industry. You know, own the opportunities. Be prepared. Be well rehearsed, and understand the business, not just food, but the business of food and how it all works.
It is such a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
G. Garvin, Cooking Channel. Next year, he's going to be all over the place. The road trip with G. Garvin. It is good to have you back in our living rooms cooking.
Thank you.
And doing all the things. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.